Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on USD NOK? Now, from a weekly perspective, it's immediately clear that this is a very interesting pair to be following. Why? Now, from a weekly perspective, we can see that the market has created this M formation. Now, after an M formation, what do you expect? You expect the market to make a move to the upside, go and test this previous support, which is now turned resistance to grab some liquidity and complete the pattern. What we can also see is that currently the market is retesting a very strong demand area, very close to it. And it basically from here, this is where we would like to see from this area the market start the retracement for the completion of the weekly M formation. We go down on the daily time frame and what we can see. Now on the daily, we can see that currently the market is clearly overextended to the downside. We would definitely like to see the market create an accumulation zone inside of this area before the move to the upside. Now, if we go and see what is the situation from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, what hedge funds are doing at the moment in the market. So let's go and get our USD data and see how big banks and institutions have been trading it lately. So what we can see from a US dollar index perspective, we can see that we have been in the long term shifting from having 7k net positions, one of the lowest levels lately, all the way up to the almost 15k that we currently have. And yes, it's true. Lately, we have seen with the last report a decrease, but overall, we still have a pretty good long exposure at a 74.3% long exposure with 21k longs and only 6k shorts on the USD from an institutional perspective. So on USD NOK, we can definitely expect the pattern to complete and the US dollar weakness that we're seeing now come to an end. Now, we would definitely like to see proper accumulation because we still haven't seen proper longing yet. But anyway, it's pretty clear because from a 4 hour perspective, everything is still bearish. The market has been creating lower lows and lower highs without giving any sign of buying pressure or bullishness. So, the way in which we will be approaching this with students is very simple. We will be monitoring price action from a 4 hour perspective inside of this area and, as usual, being reactive and not predictive. So, we will be waiting for the market to shift from a 4 hour perspective from a bearish market to a bullish market, and then we will be waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the upside and completion of the weekly pattern. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.